everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in bees. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now in today's video, we do have a guest, and it is JUVILEE Tablescapes. So I hope you join me in supporting this content creator. Now she does have a theme, and it's Bumble Bee. Isn't that adorable? All right, so let's take a closer look at this place setting. Now the flatware did come from HomeGoods. Now we have the napkin. Now that was a gifted item, and the napkin ring did come from Kirkland's. Now we move on over to the salad plate, and this plate here came from Hobby Lobby. Now the dinner plate came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now we have the charger. So this was a great find along with the placemat. These came from the Goodwill. Now the wine glass did come from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and place the setting back together. Now I think I'm gonna leave the napkin over to the side like this. I'm liking how that looks. And this is our place setting. Now the centerpiece is so adorable. So I put one of these rolling pins that did come from Hobby Lobby. And then we have my lantern with these sunflowers and two tapered candles on the side. It's so beautiful. Now I added something else here that was bee. I think that came from Hobby Lobby as well. And then we have that beautiful centerpiece off to the side, and that I DIY'd. So here's the other place setting. I just moving the napkin over to the side. And this is my tablescape. And I hope, JUVILEE, that you love what I put together for you. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.